Coinbase Wallet is a user-friendly app for managing various cryptocurrencies and tokens. Here's a guide on how to use it. Installation and setup. Download the Coinbase Wallet app from your device's app store. Upon installation, create a new wallet or import an existing one using the private key or recovery phrase. Navigating the wallet. The app's interface includes options for viewing your balances, accessing the browser, and making transactions. Your assets will be displayed as individual cryptocurrencies and tokens with their respective balances. Sending and receiving crypto. To send cryptocurrency, select the specific coin, tap Send, and enter the recipient's wallet address. When receiving, tap Receive and share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. Browser functionality. Coinbase Wallet includes a DApp browser. You can access decentralized applications, interact with smart contracts, and use various DeFi services directly through the wallet. Security and backup. Secure your wallet with a strong password and enable biometric authentication for additional security. Ensure you securely back up your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Explore DeFis and NFTs. Coinbase Wallet allows users to explore decentralized finance apps and trade non-fungible tokens directly from the app.